Hello everybody, my name is Ewan and I'm the founder of Referwo. Today I'm going to show you how this brand actually made 2000% return in investment with influencer marketing without paying for ads. What if you could turn a few free product samples into thousands of dollars in sales with zero ad spend? That's exactly what this brand did. And in this video, we're going to show you how are you going to achieve that. So let's dive into how Euclove used Referwo to achieve 2000% return in investment and how your brand can do the same. So Euclove is an Australian-made brand offering natural home cleaning products. Their mission is to help people clean their home without harsh chemicals. But like many small to medium brands, they were struggling to grow brand awareness and drive consistent sales without pouring thousands into paid ads. So instead of hiring an agency or spending hours on manual outreach, Euclove turned to Referwo, an influencer marketing platform built to simplify everything. They launched a gifted campaign offering free products to creators in exchange for authentic user-generated content and social exposure. So they launched with a clear, detailed campaign brief highlighting the benefits of their products and specifying the type of contents they wanted from the influencers. Free samples that they're offering to the influencers who would then showcase the products and their products on their social media channels. So within just 2 hours of going live, interested and eligible influencers began applying to the campaign. Using the Referral dashboard, Euclove could easily review, approve, and manage all of them seamlessly. The built-in CRM system allowed them to automatically send out free samples, so no more chasing addresses or manually processing orders one by one, which often becomes unmanageable, especially when you're scaling. So once influencers receive the products, they then create contents and submitted it directly through the Referral platform. Euclove could then review and approve everything in one click and track real-time sales using the system-generated discount code. So no more spreadsheets, no guesswork, just one dashboard to manage it all. So how did Euclove actually run their influencers marketing campaign? We're going to review all the tips and hacks so you can too use the same strategy on your campaigns. So what they did is they gifted a variety of their top features products, including the natural multi-purpose cleaner, their popular linen embedding spray to help users sleep better while disinfecting sheets, a non-toxic floor cleaner with pure essential oil, and their natural bathroom and mold cleaner with clove, eucalyptus and tea tree oils. So those are their top features products in their store. And these free products were sent to carefully selected creators who then produced stunning user-generated contents, from calming cleaning routines to before and after videos, and to soothing spray reels at bedtime. So these authentic contents help them build trust, drive engagement, and showcase Euclove products in real life, inside real homes. And that's what resonates with their target audience. And thanks to Referwo's CRM system and live tracking tools, Euclove could easily see which influencers had submitted their contents and see exactly which influencers were driving sales, all from their dashboard. So they weren't just building awareness, but they were also turning gifted content into measurable growth. And that's what you can do as well for your campaign. So why did it actually work? It wasn't luck, it was a strategy. So by targeting the right creators and automating campaign management, Euclove was able to scale without burning out. And with Referwo's built-in tracking, they could see exactly which creators were driving sales, clicks, and sales. So no more guessing work for them. This let them double down on what worked and build a long-term brand ambassadors with the influencers. So whether you're a skincare brand, kit products, or homeware label, Referwo actually gives you the tools to find the right influencers, launch your campaign quickly, and track real performance. From content creation to ROI, it's all in one platform. So no more spreadsheets, no more wondering if your influencer campaigns are working. It's time to scale with confidence. If you like this video, hit subscribe below for more real brand success stories. And if you're ready to try Referwo, click on the link below. Until next time, happy scaling. Want to see how other brands achieve 8 times ROAS or 450% return of investment with influencers campaign, check out our others case study at referwo.com case study. Thank you today for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you.